Are small flats in Singapore more expensive than large flats? On this show, we examine this question and establish the SRX PSF Rule for investing in Singapore private property. Next on XTV with your host, Mark Loon.
Good day, I'm Mark Loon. I'm at the Park Rosewood. This private condo has tied for the most number of shoebox resales in 2014, along with 3 other condominiums. Year to date, there has been 4 transactions in the Park Rosewood at an average PSF of $1,344.
So what's a shoebox unit?
Basically, it's a private apartment unit, less than 500 square feet. Now, people have nicknamed this unit shoeboxes because they are on the small end of the market in terms of size. Also, some people call them Mickey Mouse units.
So who buys shoebox units and what's the buying proposition?
Okay, basically the target group for shoebox units are young professionals, either singles or couples with no children, and investors who plan to rent the home. Now, for these buyers, the appeal of the shoebox unit is that they can upgrade from HDB to private with less cash because the price quantum is lower than the bigger flats.
Hey Phyllis, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Angela. Thanks for your time too. Thank you.
So, if the price of the home is less, does that make shoebox units less expensive?
Our data analysis shows that shoebox units are more expensive than larger units on per square foot basis. At SRX Property, we use multivariable regression to model the statistical relationship of PSF with respect to location, floor levels, unit size, and other factors. This allows us to derive the size premium factor, or SPF. The SPF measures how much of a premium or discount you pay for additional space. As the table illustrates, the SPF is negative for most districts. This means that in most locations in Singapore, it costs less for each square foot you buy. For example, the SPF for District 19 is negative 0.331. This means that for every 1% increase in size in this district, there is a decline of 0.331% in price per square foot.
Hi Derek.
Hi.
So why does PSF go up as size comes down?
Okay, in fact, if you look at the general market, the smaller sizes unit actually is more affordable in terms of quantum. That means there's actually a larger pool of demand. However, there are also exceptions to this rule. For example, if you're looking at actually places where it caters to actually expats and the luxury buyers, in fact, the sizes go up, you see the PSF going up also.
Hey Derek, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for the time.
This is true. Districts 9, 10, and 4 are exceptions to the rule. As you can see from our table, they are the only districts in the last 3 years to register a positive SPF. These districts cater to luxury buyers and expatriate renters who are seeking space and size above the national norm. The supply of larger units in these districts have been relatively limited. As such, buyers and landlords have bid up the price on larger size units, and the end result has been a positive SPF.
SRX Property has data that allows us to establish the PSF rule for investing in Singapore private property. The rule states that for non-luxury homes, each additional square foot of space usually costs less. So while you will pay more in actual price quantum, your per square foot cost is less. And that's it for today's show. Please join us next week where we update you on the top performing new projects year to date and look for what is trending for the rest of the year. I'm Mark Loon, and on behalf of SRX Property and the XTV team, thank you for watching and have a good day.